Everyone, welcome to my channel. Phil Richard and this is Air for Anker. Boss psychotechnology. Yeah, this is clean robot and perfect matching for clean. And now charging you can see. And this is Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi connected last month. And this is garbage. Yeah, you can click here and it will be empty. And I was bought last year for $150, and it has only black color, and I like it. And only 8 centimeters, and heavy is 1 or 2 kilograms, and maybe I can record for you modes. And this is circle mode, and you can click here for start or stop. Yeah, this is awesome. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.